guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to create this painting with watercolor. This is going to be an easy watercolor painting tutorial. So first I'll be preparing my paper. Here I am using the 300 GSM watercolor paper with rough texture on it, and I prefer to paint watercolor on rough textured paper. It soaks the water really nice and gives the painting a very nice finish. I'm gonna use this camel artist watercolor today. I absolutely love this color. So I'll be mixing up the colors scarlet lake and white. I will use it for the sky. So this is going to be my inspiration for painting today. And as you can see, the sky is in pastel shade, and I personally absolutely love using pastel shades for my paintings. I'll be using the same peach color for the water too, and cobalt blue for the rest of the water. I'm mixing a lot of water here to dilute the color. As you know, you should always start watercolor with the lightest shade. And for the land, I'm gonna use a little bit of sap green, and yeah, I'm using again the lightest color, and I've mixed it with a little bit of yellow. After that, I'm gonna use the color viridian hue. It's basically divided into two parts. Half portion is a little bit darker and the other half is a little bit lighter. For the lighter part, I'm using viridian hue, and for the darker part I will be using sap green mixed with a little bit of blue. So yeah, this is how I'm going to fill this up. Here I'm gonna use a little bit black with viridian green.
Close your eyes, tell me are you fine? Please don't cry, babe. Can we try just one more time? No. Da 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 da. Close your eyes, tell me are you fine? Please don't cry, babe. Can we try just one more time? No. Da 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 da. Close your eyes, tell me are you fine? Please don't cry, babe. Can we try just one more time? Close your eyes, tell me are you fine? Please don't cry, babe. Can we try?
So here I'm gonna use the number 2 brush to define the water ripples, and I'm also adding the shadows of the grasses.
Da 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 da.
So now I'm gonna use cerulean blue for the boat, and I'll first use the lighter shades mixed with a little bit white for first tone on the boat.
One more time, one more time.
I'm also using the same color for the shadow of the boat.
One more time. Close your eyes, tell me are you fine? Please don't cry, babe. Can we try just one more time? No.
The middle part of the boat is a little bit darker than the outer corners, so I'll be using lighter colors for the outer corners, and here I'm using a little bit violet, and then I will use black for the inner corners so that the difference of color tones can be visible. Also, I'll be using darker colors for the different parts of the boat to highlight the parts. Enjoy the process, and I will see you at the end of the video.
One more time, no. Da 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 da. Close your eyes, tell me are you fine? Please don't cry. da 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 Can we try just one more time? One more time. Just one more time. Can we try just one more time? Close your eyes. Tell me are you fine? Please don't cry, babe. Can we try just one more time? No. Da 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 da.
So yeah, I'm finished with all the details. Here is the final painting. If you found it helpful, give it a like and consider subscribing my channel too. Until next time, bye bye.